Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming you have both an EA account and a PlayStation Network account. Make sure both accounts are active and accessible right now. Update account emails, if needed, so they match across services for fewer errors. Enable two-step verification on both accounts and store backup codes securely offline. Check that your PSN privacy settings allow account linking and data sharing with third parties. Restart your console or client to ensure fresh sessions before you begin the linking process. Open a web browser and go to EA.com, then sign into your EA account. Navigate to Account Settings and click the Connections tab to see platform options. Select PlayStation Network and press Connect to start the authorization flow. Sign in with your PSN credentials on the official Sony dialog and authorize EA to access basic account information. Review any prompts about game progression or purchases and choose which profiles to link before confirming. Complete the flow and wait for the success message indicating the accounts are linked. After completing the flow, return to Account Settings and verify PlayStation Network shows as connected. Check your email for a confirmation from EA and from PlayStation about the new connection. If an expected in-game profile did not appear, relaunch the game and allow up to 24 hours for backend synchronization. For failed link attempts, clear your browser cache or use an incognito window and try again. If problems continue, contact EA Help with your EA ID and PSN Online ID for assisted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.